Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how much can you overdraft with Chase. Chase offers several overdraft protection options. The amount you can overdraft depends on your